Hey guys, what's up? It's Josh. So we're up here, LA River, biking, as you can see. You're seeing the back end over there. Totally got a flat tire, but you know what? You just gotta keep on pushing and keep on going. When you're determined to do something, you just find an easy fix and simple fix.
In the ocean.
What's up, guys? So we are totally urban beaching it. What does that mean? Parking yourself right by the freaking LA River with the green algae and stuff. It's LA. We just like posting up. Just it's overcast, so it's all good. LA 10.
Life is hard as it gets. Us from everywhere. In the ocean, you'll find yourself.
Yo, what's up guys? It's Josh. Finally made it to Venice Beach. Yes, indeed, from Marina del Rey. I'm here in this area, which is pretty popular for, you know, tagging and stuff like that, which is cool. So sometimes you just gotta keep on going. We almost turned around, but like we got to bike in the rain, which is cool. But you know, it's an adventure. So explore your surroundings and keep at to it. The waves are pretty big, so I'll catch you guys on the flip side. Peace out.